I wanted to make a video today talking about the variety of loading options that you can have with a CK Mace or club, because the end of each CK Mace is drilled and tapped to 1" 8" national course thread. And what that means is that any 1" 8" bolt will thread into the end of this. And so you can make your own loading heads if you want, which we've had several people do. And so this is just a variety of our loading options. So like this is a standard 6" pin with 5-pound plates. This is an XL pin with a plastic Olympic plate adapter off of Amazon. You'd have to get better collars probably, but it's an option if you want to run Olympic plates on a CK Mace. This is our Canteen, which is a fillable round head. Got a plug in the bottom. Mine's full of semi-truck wheel bearings, and then it's just got a stud on top, 1". And then we have these, which these are what we call the Ramjet heads. And so they're cast out of concrete with a 1" bolt in there. Mike Cole makes these, a guy up there in Michigan. They're super fun. He makes them in a variety of weights. Mine's actually a lighter one. But with each one of these, it's a very different swing. All of these will feel different on the same mace. So with one handle, you have all these varieties of swings that you can create, and you can put each one of these on the club or the shorty club also. So the possibilities are endless because each one will feel totally different, whether you load this with 10-pound plates, you load the Canteen with sand, you get 10s or 5 Olympic pound plates. All of them will yield a different swing and just more fun and more results.